This data sufficiency question is asking how many men are in a certain vanpool program, and statement 1 just gives us a ratio. Men to women is 3 to 2. But a ratio can't possibly be sufficient to infer an actual number. So statement 1 can't be sufficient on its own, and we should eliminate the answer choices that claim that it is. So A and D are gone, and we're down to B, C, or E. Now statement 2 just tells us how many vans are in the program, but we have no idea about the men to women split, so this can't be sufficient on its own either. Let's go ahead and eliminate B. Let's combine the statements right after the intro. So when I combine these statements, what I'm thinking is that I don't know how big these vans are. I've seen vans that can fit 6 people, I've seen vans that can fit 8 people, and I've seen vans that can fit 10 people. So without knowing the size of each of these vans, I can't tell how many people are in the program. So even with the information from statements 1 and 2 combined, I still can't tell how many men are in the program, and therefore the correct answer is E.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.